Welcome to part 2, and this is when I install the motherboard, but I already installed it. Some motherboards already come with an IO shield like pre-applied, but some you have to add one and then you line it up. Now I'm gonna be installing the power supply in the back of the case. And then right now we're gonna have to screw it in from the other side. Right here. Next, we're gonna be plugging in all these cables that come from the case in the front, connecting all the cables from the power supply to the motherboard. Now I'm gonna install the GPU onto the motherboard. I am finally done with building my PC, and now I'm gonna turn it on.